And on the subject of washers and dryers, let's go take a look. How to make your washer and dryer last. Most manufacturers say you should get at least 10 years out of your laundry appliances. How long should your new washer and dryer last? It's a topic of much debate. Given that most machines come with just a 1-year parts and labor warranty, we asked manufacturers what kind of longevity you can expect and for advice on how to get the most out of your laundry appliances. Across the board, manufacturers stress that proper installation of the machines is crucial, as is following the instructions in the owner's manual. That includes loading your machine without stuffing it and using the proper amount of low-sudsing HE detergent with HE top loaders and front loaders. Manufacturers are now recommending you use this kind of detergent even for some agitator top loaders. We've heard from readers that mold is a problem, particularly with front loaders. Again, manufacturers suggest following the advice in the owner's manual for best practices, such as using the proper amount of detergent to reduce film residue and keeping the washer door open after a cycle to allow it time to air dry. Regular cleaning the washer tub, detergent dispenser door, and gasket are also recommended, none of which really help, let me tell you. As for the dryer, clear the vent before your new dryer is installed. Clean the lint trap after every load, and periodically clean the vent duct. Here, 6 major manufacturers fill you in on how long their machines should last and share advice on how to keep your washer and dryer going strong. You'll also find somebody needs to learn how to type, our exclusive brand reliability survey. Now, remember, this is manufacturers saying the below, so don't take it as gospel truth because they're not going to tell you their stuff's crap. Just saying. Electrolux and Frigidaire. Our washers and dryers are designed to last a minimum of 10 years under normal use and care, which we validate through rigorous life cycle testing, says Flavio Bernardino, Electrolux's Director of Research and Development. Electrolux makes Frigidaire as well. Here are the manufacturer's tips. Run the washer's cleaning cycle periodically, using water and electricity for nothing. The machine will display a reminder after every 50 cycles. Clean the detergent dispenser drawer regularly to prevent any residual buildup. Kenmore. On average, washers and dryers last 10 to 13 years if they are well maintained, says Chip Smith, Vice President and Chief Marketing Officer for Sears Home Services. The company's technicians repair models from a variety of brands, and Smith says overloading the washer or dryer is one of the top causes of the issues its technicians encounter. Here's what the manufacturers recommends. Run your washer's self-clean cycle using water and electricity for nothing at the frequency recommended in the owner's manual. If your washer doesn't have this feature, run the machine without any laundry in it, adding 2 cups of distilled white vinegar to a hot water. Improve dryer airflow with a straight, not twisted vent duct. One that's ideally metal and not plastic. Note that the shorter the run, the better. CR recommends using foil tape, not sheet metal screws, to seal the duct. The life cycle of an LG washer or dryer is around 10 to 15 years, says Taryn Brusha, Director of Public Relations for LG. Here are the company's tips. Perform routine maintenance, such as cleaning the wash drum and wipe around the water seal to ensure a front loader's door closes properly. Doesn't help. Tried it. Maytag and Whirlpool. Washers and dryers are designed and life tested to last 10 years. but that can vary depending on a customer's usage habits, says Daniel Waugh, Director of Laundry Product Marketing for Whirlpool, which manufacturers may tag products as well. Here's what the company recommends. Clean the inside of your washer once a month. Doesn't say how. Samsung, with the exploding washers. This manufacturer wouldn't specify how long you should expect its laundry appliances to last. Well, you know, they explode. There are many variables such as use, care, and maintenance that can impact product lifespan, a company spokesperson says. They don't even want to give their name. Here are the manufacturer's tips. Don't buy from Samsung. Done. Clean the detergent drawer monthly to remove residue. A buildup may cause the drawer to leak. Run the self-clean cycle after every 40 loads, using water and electricity for nothing. Speed Queen. Aww. Our machines are tested to last 10,400 cycles, which translates into roughly 25 years of use in the average home, says Jay McDonald, Speed Queen's Vice President of North American Home Laundry Sales. The company offers a longer warranty, 3 years on parts and labor for washers and dryers with mechanical controls. That's different now. They're longer now. And 5 years for models with electronic controls. Speed Queen's TR7, its top-of-the-line agitator top loader, boasts a 7-year warranty. Here's what Speed Queen recommends. Clean the tub and detergent dispensers regularly with a soapy washcloth will work. Check that the machines are level from time to time. Replace the hoses, you know, to the washer from the wall every 5 years. Good to go. CR's brand reliability survey results. Yeah, my tongue, my lips. Can't talk tonight. Our brand reliability survey found that Speed Queen agitator top loaders stand out as a reliable brand. Among HE top loaders, those without an agitator, LG is tops in reliability, although statistically speaking, its estimated breakage rate is not meaningfully lower than most of the other brands. And they smell horrible. But our survey did find that the Samsung HE top loaders are less reliable than most other brands. So much so that we do not recommend them at this time. Well, yeah, they explode and send shrapnel everywhere. You're not putting a washer in your laundry room. You're putting a bomb. Basically. As for front loaders, LG is tops in reliability, but not meaningfully better than most of its competitors. Frigidaire, however, is more prone to breaking, so much so that we can't recommend them for now. Read least and most reliable washing machine brands for more details. Dryers. Among electric dryers, no one brand stands out as the most or least reliable, but the lower breakage rates reported for LG make that brand meaningfully better than Frigidaire, GE, Electrolux, and Samsung. Speed Queen. They're made with commercial grade parts, so they're going to last a dog's age if you take care of them. I don't know why they didn't mention that. Check out most and least reliable dryer brands for the full story, and see brand reliability information in the washer and dryer ratings for information on other brands.